Hi guys, it's your baby girl again, Lillian Osunobu. Yes. If you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if you are a new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys. I love you all. Just know I love you. I love you. I saw something on Instagram yesterday. So there's this makeup balm I saw that they said, okay, it actually remove your makeup in 60 seconds. 1 minute, yeah. So I said, okay, I want to get it. And the person selling it is in Abuja. I was so lucky that the person was in Abuja. If it was other state, I don't think I would be able to order for it because it will take time to, it will take like 2 to 3 days, even 4 days to get to Abuja. I don't know. Because some use this logistic, I don't want to mention the name, so it actually takes 4 to 5 days. So I will be showing you guys the product. So it arrives like this. It is SAO beauty makeup. Okay, SAO beauty. So I ordered for it yesterday and yesterday night, yeah, and it arrives today. Don't mind me, my eyes are red. And again, in case you see two different eyeshadow, in case I just look down, then you see two different eyeshadow, just know that I was the one that did it myself. So I wanted to check the one that suits me better. So I applied the brown one here, then I applied the black one here. So I just want to let you guys know before you guys will say, oh, she's wearing two different eyeshadows. Why? So that's the reason I just tell you guys. So I just explained to you guys. So like I said, I saw this on Instagram. So I saw the lady using it to remove her makeup and everything, like all the makeup removed perfectly. So I said, okay, why can't I try it? Although I wish it was expensive, I don't think I would have bought it. so lucky it was really cheap. It's affordable. It's 4,000 naira. So I bought to 8,000, and the delivery from where she's staying and to my place is 1,000 naira. So total of everything I sent to her was 9,000. This is not a advert post, please. I just want to see it if it actually works, and I'm going to use it for you guys to see if what they say is actually what the product is doing. So then that is why I'm making this video. Yeah, when I open it, I find out that the lady put some face towel. Yeah, he put one face towel. There is a card. Yeah. So there is a card and my name is written on it. The package is really nice. The way she packaged her products, I really love it. This is the first time, like I said, this is the first time I'm buying this product, and I want to check it out if it actually works. Like I said, it's not a paid advert, please. And again, like I was saying, he said, "Hey Lillian, we hope you love your product as much as we love creating it for you, as your order puts a smile on our face. Welcome to the family. As you are officially a Sal babe, kindly leave a review. Tag us on #SalBabe to be featured. Okay, to be featured. You are beautiful. You see, I'm going to be taking the picture of this, then insert it on my screen so that you guys can see. The lady leave a note. A note. Yeah, you leave a note on the box. Yeah, on the package. So now, this is the product. It's called like I said, I'm going to be inserting it on my screen so that you guys can see it. So they said it's really nice. It helps with how will I put it? Like, it's better we use this than using the makeup wipes. That makeup wipes are not really good because once we start getting older, you start seeing a lot of wrinkles. Or some people at their age of 30, 35, they start getting a little wrinkles. So now this, yeah, I guess so. This actually, they said this, the lady said this actually works. And again, when I was asking, I'm going to be posting our chat on the screen because
I'm sorry, I just had to switch to voice notes so you can understand me better. Like, basically, the first step is important. The first step is your cleansing. If I ask you now, okay, I'm sure you use soap and water to wash your face. I don't know if you use any other thing, but probably that. How long do you wash your face? If you think about it, maybe 15 seconds, 20 seconds, I just rinse off. You're supposed to wash your face for at least 60 seconds. And in the night, it's best to use an oil cleanser because it will really remove all that dirt that has really accumulated over the day. So when you use this oil cleanser to clean your face, as in you massage it in your face for 60 seconds, there's no how any dirt will not be removed. Now, once that dirt is removed, the next step, you can do whatever you want. You can go in with your rose water, you can go in with your ordinary product, you can go in with your moisturizer, you can go in with your facial oil, you can go in with your serum, and those products will actually go into your skin and do what they're supposed to. But when you just wash your face anyhow, like just in the normal way, your face is still dirty. So by the time you put all these products, they're not like, you're not allowing them work essentially. They're not able to do what they're supposed to because there's still dirt underneath. There's still clogged pores. They can't go in and remedy what they're meant to remedy because your face is not completely clean. It's not a clean canvas for them to work. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, I wanted to ask you this. After applying your niacinamide, do you follow up with your moisturizer or you just leave it like that?
so when I asked her that, I hope this is not going to cause me acne because I have a lot of pimples on my face and I don't want extra pimples on my face. So I was really asking her, I hope it's not going to cause a lot of acne. It's not going to bring out acne from my face. And the lady said that no, that this product is actually going to reduce your acne because now when you apply this, it cleans out like everything on your face. It actually cleans it. And she said again that it's not only when you put makeup, when you apply makeup on your face that you only use it. You can also use it morning and evening. So now he said let's assume you go out without makeup, you just apply your face cream, your sunscreen, and you come back home in the evening and you want to do your daily routine. You need to still apply this on your face and massage for 60 seconds, then rinse off with warm water. Yeah, so now I'm going to be putting this on my face now so we can see. He said it actually helps with acne too, that it will make the dirt causing the acne it will cleanse the dirt causing the acne. So let me remove my wig. Yippee! So I'm just going to be putting my wig on top of my bed. So now let's start applying this. After applying, I'm going to go to the bathroom and wash it off, then come back again and tell you guys how it goes. Or I'm just going to use it here, maybe go take my phone to the bathroom so that you guys can see that I did not apply anything else but this. So now the lady said it's just, we have to, let me drop this. So I just open. So it comes like this. I don't know, my eyes are red. So now you just take a little bit, okay. So he said don't put water on your hand and don't put water on your face. The direction, that's what she told me. So I'm just going to rub. So let's see. Woo, it smells nice. Wow. Guys, let me apply more. For 60 seconds. Ooh, okay. I really need to. Okay, I'll just be counting from my from my record here. They said 60 seconds. Okay, now it's 9:13. Okay. Okay, let's remove this eyelash. Wow. Seriously? Guys, it's really working. Wow. It says 60 seconds. Massage. I don't know, I lost count of time. Okay, now is 1 minute. Don't mind my bathroom, there's a cloth, so I'm just going to be rinsing it out now. So guys, I just finished washing my face, and what I noticed that I still have a little bit of makeup here. So let's apply more for another 60 seconds and see if here we wipe out. Okay, so I'm just taking a little bit. I'm going to pat dry. I'm using my toilet paper towel. Just going to be pat dry. What is it called? So going to be applying this again. I have my micro shade in here. My bathroom is just too small. There's not space for me to really film this thing properly. Okay, let's massage. Okay, let's wash. Guys, I just finished washing. Let's see if I have more makeup on my face. Let's see. I guess there's no makeup. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. Just wait, I'm going to show you guys. Let me finish cleaning. Okay, I still have a little bit makeup on my ears. I still have a little bit makeup, and under this place there's no makeup, although my face, you see, let me open the, see. So now what I noticed on this balm is this: you have to use, once you use it for the first time, then you have to use it again for the second time for you to really see the result. Yeah, for the makeup, the whole makeup to be really out from your face. So this is really good when, and it's really smooth once you apply it on your face and you are massaging into your face. Let me see what is here. That is makeup. So once you are massaging into your face, this, it like is really smooth, and it goes like, I don't know how to explain it. Is this, although I still prefer using this than the face wipe. If it was the face wipe, so I have to use like 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 before my face is really clean. And again, I need to go in with my soap again before I can actually know that, okay, my face is clean. But with this you can wash the face twice, then clean up, then use your rose water toner or any toner you want to use. Like guys, I'll be sticking with this. This is much easier for me, guys, really much easier.